Take a look at this passion vine plant we have. I've had this for about 6 years now, but it started as a little cutting. Every year this plant gets big and full. We have to trim it back every year. But here's some blooms on it. They're really neat looking. Zoom in a little bit on them. Yeah, it's a big plant. This thing's probably pretty close to 10 feet tall. What's really weird about this plant is you can see it spreads clear over here in the greenhouse. Not really sure how it goes through this hard ground, but you can see pieces of it down here, way over here. Just a really neat plant. We'll do cuttings on it later on in the season. You can see right here, it likes to tie itself up on stuff. Really likes to climb. In Washington State here, if you actually put these outside, I would say maybe 60% of them will come back if you have them in pots. But this does really well in a non-heated greenhouse. Just wanted you guys to take a look at it. A really neat plant to have that actually trails and will vine and climb on pretty much everything. This one is only one great big plant here.